Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'd like to show you a way to play more expressively, and I'll use a piece that everyone knows and just show you what I mean. When you count the piece, you can imagine you've got a paintbrush and you've got a different color for every number for the count. So if there's 4 counts in the bar, you can count each of those numbers as though you're painting that number while you're playing. And you're taking the time to carefully paint that number. And you'll find that if you've got a linking of your notes and it's a nice tone and you're connecting and you're going somewhere with your phrase, it can become very expressive because you've taken the time to count every one of those numbers of the count, including the last one in the group, especially the last one. So it'll keep you from rushing, and it'll keep you being more expressive because you'll find you're getting closer to the deeper meaning of the music. So anyway, I'll show you on this piece. I know you'll know what it is. So I'm going to count. It's actually in cut time, so there's 8 eighths, but it's as though only 2 of them are important. But I'm making all 8 of them important. So I'm going to count up to 4 twice in each bar. So every 8th note has a count. So every 8th note has a number that I'm painting in a certain color. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, So I hope that gives you a new idea, a new way of practicing in order to try to find expression in your music. You can take the music, take the score away from the piano and just sing it and decide where do you want this line to go and what's the important note in each phrase. But beyond that, if you can paint those numbers, visualize taking the time to paint those numbers. And if the fourth number has a thicker paint, or it takes longer to paint, you'll listen longer to that count. And you won't be rushing into the next count. So anyway, I hope that gives you a few ideas. Have a good night.